We are riding on a driverless car.
Check on riders, improve our... But our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out. We can't hear you. You can also use the app or passenger screen to speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car unless there's an urgent need to exit. Rider support will connect with you and provide assistance. Finally, relax and thank you for riding with us.
Ang very good naman niya.
Natigil.
Natigil talaga. Okay ka lang ba, Mami? Hindi ka ba ninenervyos? Ako ninenervyos.
Hindi. Sama natin si Nene.
Hindi magtatagal, ganito na ang mga car lahat.
Ha?
Hindi magtatagal, ganito na lahat ang car.
Sigurado ka?
Oo. Oh, hindi na nga naman kailangan ng driver. Hindi na mapapagod yung magdadrive ng halimbawang mga 5 hours drive, 6 hours drive. Makakatulog na lahat ng nasa sasakyan, including the driver.
Huwag ka muna magsalita. Less 1 second lang.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. That's the driverless car.